2026 has arrived with a powerful statement from Honda, and the motorcycle world is paying attention. Today's deep dive covers a machine designed to take the torch from legendary dual sport and adventure platforms. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L. In this video from Zeeautoadviser, we will explore what makes this motorcycle special, why enthusiasts are calling it a next-generation revolution, and how Honda is blending performance, design, and technology like never before in the middleweight adventure category. Asterisk, the CRF lineup has always represented versatility and dependability. For decades, models like the CRF 250L, CRF 450L, and CRF 1100L Africa Twin have earned trust worldwide. But the CRF 750L does not simply fill the gap between engine sizes, it creates a new identity. It aims to be a motorcycle equally at home on the everyday city commute, long-distance touring, and rugged off-road exploration. This is the story of a machine designed to adapt to any terrain, any mood, and any rider's ambition. Engine and PR4 mains ERT. The heart of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L is a newly developed 748cc parallel twin engine built with Unicam technology. Honda emphasizes a balance of power delivery and efficiency, avoiding overwhelming torque spikes and instead focusing on linear acceleration. The power curve is tuned to provide a manageable and engaging ride across a variety of speeds. Riders have reported that it feels like a blend of rally DNA and a refined touring character. Asterisk, power output is expected to be around 83 horsepower with torque peaking near 75 Nm, placing it directly in the competitive space with machines like the Yamaha Tennis 700 and KTM 790 Adventure. However, Honda's strategy is not simple competition, it is refinement. A dual balancer shaft reduces vibrations for smoother highway cruising. Revised air intake systems improve throttle response, especially at mid-range RPMs where adventure riders typically operate. Asterisk, efficiency is also part of its identity, with Honda targeting fuel economy that supports long-distance travel without anxiety. The 6-speed gearbox is paired with an assist and slipper clutch for smoother shifts and reduced lever effort. Honda has also introduced an optional electronic quick-shifter package that emphasizes control rather than aggression. Asterisk, frame, suspension and handling. Asterisk, the CRF 750L is built around a lightweight semi-double cradle frame derived from rally engineering. Honda's goal is to make the motorcycle feel confident off-road while maintaining stability on the highway. The suspension consists of fully adjustable long travel units 43mm, show-off forks in the front, and a ProLink monoshock in the rear. Adjustments for preload, rebound, and compression allow riders to tune the motorcycle to match luggage weight or terrain conditions. Asterisk, ground clearance is generous, approximately 255mm, paired with a seat height that leans toward the tall side at around 875mm. This is a strategic choice. Honda wants to maintain authentic off-road capability, where clearance matters more than comfort alone. The overall weight is targeted near 195 kilograms dry, which places it in a competitive zone for its class. Asterisk, the front wheel is a 21-inch spoked rim, while the rear uses an 18-inch setup, a configuration common in serious off-road machines. This decision signals Honda's commitment to the dirt-capable identity of the model rather than leaning too heavily toward road-biased convenience. However, the geometry is designed so that it does not feel unstable at speed. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 CRF 750L carries a design language that merges rally inspiration with modern adventure ergonomics. Its silhouette is lean, purposeful, and free of unnecessary bulk. The bodywork channels airflow around the rider and toward the radiator efficiently, improving cooling in demanding environments. Sharp edges, slim panels, and a forward aggressive stance communicate readiness. Asterisk, color. Options include asterisk rally, red with white and black graphics, asterisk stealth, black matte finish, asterisk desert sand, beige with black details, asterisk each color variant is paired with a frame, color chosen specifically to enhance contrast. The fuel tank capacity is 20 liters, subtly sculpted to allow knee grip without sacrificing comfort on extended journeys. Asterisk LED lighting is used throughout, including a headlamp inspired by Dakar rally machines with a distinctive dual-segment arrangement. The tail section is narrow to prevent damage in off-road settings and to maintain maneuverability when navigating dense routes. Asterisk, technology and features. Asterisk, Honda integrates technology carefully, focusing on tools that enhance control without overwhelming the rider. The dashboard features a 7-inch TFT display with smartphone integration. Navigation, music control, notifications, and ride data can be managed intuitively through handlebar switches. Asterisk, riding modes include standard for daily use, off-road with traction control reduced, and ABS optimized, touring for highway efficiency. User mode, allowing customization of throttle response, traction control level, and engine braking. Asterisk, safety technology includes cornering ABS, multi-stage traction control, asterisk hill start, Assister wheel abs switch off for dirt. These systems do not act as dominating electronic intervention. Instead, they provide security while still allowing the machine's natural mechanical feel. Honda engineers purposely tuned the electronics to maintain a sense of connection. Asterisk. Ergonomics and comfort. Asterisk. Comfort is a central focus of the 2026 CRF 750L, especially considering its long-distance ambition. The seat foam density has been calculated to reduce fatigue without feeling overly soft. The handlebar position places the rider neutral, avoiding wrist strain. Foot pegs are designed with removable rubber, allowing a transition between road and dirt feel. Asterisk. Wind protection is improved through a new adjustable windscreen system, which redirects airflow upward without creating buff. The side panels around the tank create a pocket that reduces turbulence at shoulder height. Asterisk. For passengers. The rear seating area is supportive with easy-to-grip grab handles. The subframe is reinforced to accommodate luggage systems such as panniers, soft bags, or top boxes. Practicality and OWA and RSHIP. Honda intends to position the CRF 750L as a motorcycle with low maintenance demands. Service intervals are designed to be reasonable, and the engine is engineered for long-term durability. Parts compatibility with existing CRF and Africa Twin accessories means availability may be more accessible in global markets. Asterisk. Honda's extended warranty packages and roadside support programs also contribute to ownership confidence. For riders who value simplicity, the CRF 750L offers a mechanical base that is easy to understand. For those who appreciate modern features, its technology remains approachable rather than complicated. Asterisk. Competition and market position. Asterisk. The 2026 CRF 750L enters a competitive battlefield. Major rivals include Yamaha Tenor 700 KTM 790 Adventure, Suzuki Vestrum 800DE, Aprilia Touareg 660 asterisk. Where it shines. Balance between off-road and touring identity. Honda reliability, reputation, asterisk. Smooth, friendly power delivery, asterisk. Broad feature set without overwhelming tech, asterisk. Where buyers may compare. Asterisk. KTM offers more aggressive performance. Yamaha has a proven reputation in rally circles. Suzuki's pricing strategy may appeal to budget-focused buyers. Asterisk. Honda answers these challenges by offering harmony. Not fastest, not lightest, not cheapest, but a package where every component supports the others. Asterisk. Conclusion. Asterisk. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is more than a new model. It is a declaration. Honda is proving that the adventure segment can still evolve. From engine architecture to ergonomics, from suspension engineering to technology integration, the CRF 750L represents a mindset, capability without complication. Asterisk. This has been a full breakdown from Z, where the aim is to deliver knowledge, clarity, and passion about the motorcycle world. The CRF 750L sets a new benchmark for balance, for thoughtful engineering, and for machines built to experience the world rather than simply ride through it. Asterisk. Whether used for commuting, travel, or exploration, this motorcycle reflects Honda's belief that adventure is not determined by speed or destination but by preparedness, design, and the will to move forward.